Before we begin to solve this, I need you to take a good look at this question and see if you can solve it yourself. Now we are given a shape. We are given this geometric figure where we are asked to find x, and we are not given any other angle, just x. Before we begin to solve this, I need us to label this shape. Let's call here A, and let's call here B. Let's call here C, and let's call here D. Here we can see that the side line BC, which is this, is equal to the side line CD, and is also equal to the side line AC and AD. If you consider triangle ACD, we can see that the whole side lengths are equal. This, they are all equal. Now this triangle ACD is an equilateral triangle. That means if angle ACD is A, that will make angle CAD to also be A, and angle ADC to also be A. Since the whole interior angles are equal, being that the triangle is an equilateral triangle, there is a rule that says that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means that angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle ADC all should sum up to 180 degrees. We have assumed that each of these should be A because they are all equal. That means angle ACD is A plus angle CAD is also A plus angle ADC is also A. All this is still equal to sum up to 180 degrees. A plus A is 2A. 2A plus A is 3A, equal to 180 degrees. For us to find A, we have to divide both sides by 3. And if we divide both sides by 3, this will be 3A divided by 3 equal to 180 degrees divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 180 divided by 3 will give us 60. A is equal to 60 degrees. For better illustration, let us redraw this. From our calculation, we got that our A in this equilateral triangle ACD is 60 degrees. Here also 60 degrees because they are all equal. Here also is 60 degrees. The next step we need to take, we need to find angle ACB, which is this very angle. So to find angle ACB, we can see that angle ACB is on a straight line with angle ACD. And there's a rule that says that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. That means that angle ACB plus angle ACD should be equal to 180 degrees. Angle ACB plus. We know that angle ACD is 60 degrees, 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. In order to find angle ACB, we need to subtract 60 from both sides of the equation. That means angle ACB plus 60 degrees minus 60 degrees, all equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Angle ACB, 60 minus 60 is 0. That means angle ACB will now be equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees will give us 120 degrees. This will make our angle, this very one, to be 120 degrees. So the next step we need to take is to consider triangle ABC. If we look closely with these marks, this shows that the side line AC is equal to the side line BC. That means that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And one property of an isosceles triangle is that their base angles are equal. That means if angle ABC is equal to x, that also means that angle BAC will also be equal to x. So from here, we can deduce that the sum of angle of a triangle, which is this isosceles triangle BAC, will still give us 180 degrees. The internal angle should sum up to 180 degrees. So for clarity's sake, let us redraw this. So since triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, the sum of the interior angles should be equal to 180 degrees. This means that angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB all should be equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABC is x. plus angle BAC. BAC is also x, while angle ACB is 120 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x is 2x plus 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. We need to isolate this 2x by subtracting 120 degrees from both sides of the equation. This will now be 2x plus 120 degrees minus 120 degrees, all should be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. 120 degrees minus 120 degrees will give us 0. So this will now be 2x equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees will give us 60 degrees. The next step, we need to divide both sides of this equation by 2 to isolate x, or to find our x. That will now be 2x divided by 2 equal to 60 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 60 divided by 2 is 30. That's 60 degrees divided by 2 is 30 degrees. That means that our x is now equal to 30 degrees. And here is our final answer, that x is 30 degrees. If you enjoyed this lesson and this kind of lessons, kindly click on the subscription button, like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next.